again and the sand court of UE Caloocan. Sun is back.
I know. Let's see how the players will adjust to that. Kasi all throughout, the first two sets, nawala yung sun.
It was actually a good condition to play yung your usual, normal, walang factors masyado na beach volleyball.
Maru.
You know, that has really been the Waterloo of Adamson. They have not answered this attack of Maru Panadikla, which has siguro produced about 10 or more points already for UST.
That's right. And yun nga kanina we heard Adamson, they know that and they realized kanina pa yun nangyayari and we're already in the third set. Still no adjustment there. Pero you can't blame them also because it's difficult
And also, it's also in their defensive stance. Tignan mo, medyo malayo talaga sila from the net. So, it's how their defense works. So, ang hirap baguhin nga talaga.
That one is too long for...
Caballejo wanted to try what Panadikla was doing.
It was too strong. Too strong, too long, went out.
Okay, let me go back to my own game, sabi ni Caballejo.
Maru.
Trying for the loop once again, but no go. Pao Soriano saying letting that go. Ang layo na niyan.
It's quite far. Good judgment there by Adamson.
So Adamson just down by 3 in this third set on the first game of the finals.
Sun is shining bright again. Nakikita natin na even with nakakulot na yung noo because it's very difficult to see.
With the glare.
The glare.
The glare of the sun. Now Caballejo trying to ask for a timeout. And they get it. And so will we. We will be back after this break.